Welcome back to our channel. Let me show you how to work with grid. I'm going to show you how to delete an existing one, create a new one, and how to modify it. This grid and view was automatically created by Tekla according to the saved standard properties. Here you can see the axis X, Y, and Z, which is elevation. I'm going to start with deleting the existing grid and show you how to create a new one. Click on the grid to highlight it, right-click, delete, and confirm. To create a new one, go to Edit, click on the grid, and a setup window pops up. You need to enter coordinates that determine distances between the lines. Let's start with X direction by changing it to 5 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, and 5 feet again. If you look here under the labels and X, you will see they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can always change the label and name the grid line whatever you like. Say for whatever reason I want them to be called 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Same applies to grid lines in Y direction. Again, you enter coordinates and keep or change the label here. There is one thing you need to keep in mind when entering coordinates for elevation. In X and Y, the entered distance between grid lines counts from previous location. However, in Z direction, it always counts from 0, 0. Like in this case, your first grid line would be 10 feet away from 0, 0. The second grid line would be 16 feet from 0, 0, which is only 6 feet away from the first grid line. Once you are done, you have to click Create. Interrupt. And here, you can verify the distances by simply measuring them. Like, you use the measure here. You want to measure vertical distance, and that will show you the distance is 3 times 15 feet in Y direction. You want to measure the horizontal distance. You measure your 5, 10, 20, and 5 again. To get rid of those lines, you have to redraw the view. So you go to View, Redraw, and the lines disappeared. If you need to add a single grid line, double-click on the grid again to access your grid setup window. Let's say we want to add it to Y direction, so we add it here. Say 3 feet away from the last one. Now let's label it E. Click Modify, Confirm, and here is your grid line. To delete a grid line, you do it the same way. Open your grid setup window if you don't have it open already, and there you delete the coordinate and the corresponding label. Click Modify, Confirm, and the grid line is gone. Hope this helps. In the next video, I will show you how to create radial grid.